viewers and subscribers, you're welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy 1 gig worth of data for as low as 100 naira. This data is not a data cheat, it is not a data hack, it is an MTN bundle, which I believe even MTN themselves don't want you to know about this, because if they want you to know, they will advertise, they will send messages to you informing you about the existence of this data bundle. But MTN is not doing that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you this amazing data. I've really sold this app to a lot of people which are well enjoying this data bundle. It really lasts long and it is an amazing bundle. The actual data is 59 gig data, and you will be getting an extra 17k worth of airtime. When I say 59 gig of data, you are buying 45 gig of data for 6,000 naira, getting 40 gig extra data as bonus, and getting 17k worth of airtime. You'll be getting 17k worth of airtime. This is all coming for 6,000 naira. So if this is what interests you, stay chill and follow me in the step-by-step process which I will be explaining in this video. But before I do, if this is your first time you're watching from Design and Tech Up YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe on the channel, and make sure to put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Welcome back. So yeah, before buying this data, there are two things you have to do in order not to forfeit the chance of getting the bonuses coming with it. Getting the bonus of 14 gig extra data and the 17k worth of airtime. One, you have to migrate from any tariff you are at present. You have to migrate to BetaTalk. This is a must do for you before doing anything further. And yeah, you have to get from the Play Store. You have to download the MTN app. You have to download the MTN app from the Play Store. These are the two things you have to do. Doing this, you will be getting your bonus, but not doing might make you forfeit the chance of getting the bonuses coming with this data. So yeah, after doing this, you just have to follow the further steps which I will be showing in this video. Make sure to like so that the algorithm can post the video to more interested viewers who may also be interested in knowing how they can buy cheap bundles just like this one. So let's dive deeply into the video.
So yeah, to the first step, which is migrating, you have to dial *123*2# and send this using your MTN line. So you are going to be having a menu populated on your screen. So yeah. So yeah, you can see we have BetaTalk, Pulse, and other tariffs. So you migrate to the tariff plan. You just input one to migrate to the tariff plan. You input one and send. So after sending, you can see this. We have the offer which is available as a beta tech user. It says enjoy 250% tier time bonus and 250 data bonus on all recharges. This is what you got to enjoy as a beta talk user. So you input one to migrate to beta talk and you send this. So I'm already an MTN beta talk user. So the next thing is moving to the next step after being a BetaTalk tariff line user. So yeah, going to the next step, this is the funding step. So like I mentioned earlier, you need to download my MTN app. You need my MTN app, which will be used in the funding so as to get the bonuses. You use my MTN app. If you are an Android user, I'll put a link to the app in the video description. You can easily get redirected to Play Store using the link in the video description. And if you are an iOS user, you can simply visit the Apple Store to download the app. So like you can see, this is the interface of the MTN app from my side. So this is how it looks like. If you are not an MTN app user before, you might have to do the registration, inputting your number. You have to do the registration. So yeah, you click on buy airtime here to buy airtime. So once you click on buy airtime, this will change the interface. You can see we have a new interface. So yeah, you are funding with 6,000 naira. Remember, we are buying the data for 6,000 naira. The 45 gig data, we are buying it for 6,000 naira. So you just input 6,000 or you select 6,000 here. You can see we have 6,000. So you just select 6,000. Then you are going to be clicking on proceed to payment. So yeah, and you click on pay with bank. Pay with bank. That is the next step. You click on pay with bank. After clicking on pay with bank, you have to wait for some minutes while the thing is loading. So you can see please wait on the screen. So yeah, these are the method of payment you can use. You can either use Momo, bank transfer, card. So you can see the message received. Once you initiate the buying of the airtime, you're going to be receiving the code that you've initiated the payment. So you can see these are the payment methods. So I'm going to be using bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, you are going to be given an account to use. The bank name is Wema Bank, and the account number, you can simply copy the account number with the account name as Cora P. So copy the account, and you are going to you will visit your bank app to make the payment to this account. Make sure before you go for making the payment, you've click here after transfer. Back to the app after after making the payment, you can see the amount is not reflecting here. We have 6,000 naira with a former balance which is 114 naira, making 6,114 naira. And as well, you can see beneath it, you can see the bonus which is not there formally. You can see the bonus which is now there, which is 16,800 naira. You might be wondering, I mentioned 17k worth of airtime. Though it is not reflecting here as 17,000 naira, but I can tell you it is 17,000 naira. You are going to be receiving a message after you must have made payment that you have with at the analysis of the bonus airtime and the bonus data. And as well, in order to get this bonus, like I mentioned, that are not to forfeit the chance of getting this bonus, make sure you make payment just like I've shown you in this video. Make sure you make payment just like I've shown you in this video. Don't make direct payment. Don't sell the airtime to your network. Make payment using the MTN app. So yeah, to the last step, this is the conversion of airtime to data. You input star 312 hash to buy the data. So this is the last step of conversion of airtime to data. So yeah, and you die this using your MTN line. So yeah, you can see this is the new option you're going to be having, which is data plans, get 60 gig app. So and others like that. So you input one for data plans. You input one and send. So one send. So after you've input it, you have this new option. So we are going for always on. You input 5 and send. Always on, which is number 5. Input 5 and send. So yeah, you can see this is the new options which you will be having. You can see we have 3,000 naira for 15 gig, which is as well 30 days, and we have 6,000 naira for 45 gig, which is the one we are going for. That number 4, which is as well going to last for, is going to last for 30 days. The validity is 30 days. So input 4 and send. So yeah, you can see we have auto renew, one of buy for a friend. So you can simply choose auto renew so that next time your plan can increase at the same price, the data are bundle, the data will increase even at the same price, which is 6,000 naira if you choose auto renew. But if you can afford, you can choose one of, so just input one and send. So you can see I've successfully activated a 45 gig monthly always on plan. It is successful. So yeah, you can now see on the MTN app the 6,000 naira is no more there. So you can see the balance now is now 114 naira and 59 kobo. The 6,000 naira has been used in purchasing the 45 gig data. So you might be wondering, how is it that the data does not increase here? The data has already been planned by MTN to be given every day as 1.5 gig of data, which is 45 gig divided by 30. So MTN will be giving you the data every day 1.5 gig. This will allow the data to last for 30 days. So it's going to last for 30 days straight. So yeah, the bonus. To check the bonus, let's just go to checking using the USSD code. So yeah, the bonuses are hiding in different ways. The bonuses are hiding. So let's check the star 310 hash. So you are going to be seeing the analysis here using the star 310 hash. So yeah, here you can see we have 16,800 naira, which is airtime and data bonus. We have 2,500 naira, which are balance, which is as well airtime and data bonus. And as well here we have 3,759 naira, which is the data balance. This is one. This is 3,759 naira. This year we have 2,500 naira with 16,800 naira, which is also year time and data bonus. So this is one way through which you can check for the bonus. The problem is that the bonuses are hiding in different ways. So sometimes you can see you are using data and the data is not reducing. You are using the bonus data. So yeah, let's check through another way again. So another way through which you can check is by dialing star 323 hash. So this is another way through which you can check. Dial this using your MTN line. So yeah, once you dial this, you are going to be having this option. You input 4, which is the balance check. You input 4 and send. Balance check number 4 and send this. So to the next is you will be having the balance showing. So you can see this is 45 gig monthly always plan. This is the actual data we bought. And we have here BetaTalk data bonus, which is 4.77 gig. And here this is the raw data. We have 3.67. This is the data. So yeah, this data, when you do the calculation, you calculate everything together. At the end of the day, you are going to be having the data. You are going to be having the 14 gig data, which I said you are going to be having as bonus data. So you don't have to worry. You are getting 59 gig worth of data with your 17,000 worth of airtime. So by buying this data, I believe this video is helpful. Please like the video so that the algorithm can push you to more interested viewers, and as well subscribe on the YouTube channel. Don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. And as for returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. Thanks for watching.